We are pleased to show you the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.